Well, this is what it looks like here in my backyard. A lot of y'all are still having to deal with snow and ice and all that. Well, what I'm doing here is what they call square foot gardening, and it's really straightforward and pretty simple. I made these, used a couple of 55-gallon drums, cut them in half, made a wooden frame out of 2x4s. Once you get these built, about only gardening tools you need is just a little gardening trowel and maybe something to work the dirt a little bit. And with this potting mix, you probably don't even need that. Well, right now, I see I've got 9 per square, so 3 to 9, 27-ish, something like that, yeah. And you don't want to plant them too deep. Got it all planted. I've got onions and peppers in one of them. Got the strawberries here up front, tomato plant in the back. Don't have anything else around the tomato plant. I know it's going to spread out pretty good. This one, I've got the 2 zucchini plants up at the front, a tomato at the back, and the watermelon. That's going to be kind of crowding it. But I plan on letting the vine, stretching it out on the ground over here. So we'll see how that works out. Well, here we are. We got it all planted, and all we have to do is just keep it watered and wait. We'll see what happens. So anyway, I do appreciate you coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out.